Tapescript 1.1.1.
A new classmate. Hi, my name is Pisai. Are you new at school?
Yes, I'm a new student. My name's Liwan. Nice to meet you, Bisai.
Nice to meet you too. Are you in grade 8? Please tell me you're in grade 8 too.
Yes, I am.
That's cool. We're classmates. That's our classroom over there. Let's go.
Beside, I hear we have a new classmate.
Yes, I know. Here he is. Wattai, this is Liwan. He is our new classmate. Liwan, this is Wattai. She's my best friend. She's in grade 8 too.
Nice to meet.
Beside, this new classmate is very different from us. Very, very different.
Really?
Yes, she can fly.
She can fly? That's cool. Where's she? We should meet her.
Are you sure?
Excuse me? Is this the GA classroom?
Whoa!
Classmate. Classmate. Over there. Over there.
Difference. Difference.
Really? Really?